Hello, my friend. Welcome or welcome back to my home. I am so excited because it's Monday. I love Mondays. It means a new week, new beginnings, and just a fresh start. And we are doing a weekly reset today. So my house is completely trashed. I'm looking around me. There is pillows and blankets and just real life, guys. I got 2 little kids, and so I hope that you can get some realistic motivation as I take you through cleaning the whole house today. We're gonna be cleaning the main living space, the kitchen, the bathroom, my bedroom. I need to dust because the windows have been open because of spring, which means that it just allows a lot more dust bunnies to come in. And so there's a lot to do today. We're gonna just get it done, tackle the mess with me, girl. Yeah, let's just get it done. I also kind of have the urge to purge, and I know I just decluttered my bathroom not long ago, but for some reason I have I've actually just ran out of stuff. Therefore I have new and old, and so we just gotta get rid of the trash. So put me up on whatever device, my friend, and tackle your mess and clean along with me today. Let's go. We are starting off in the main living space, which is not my normal starting point, but today it is. My daughter has been loving building forts, so she takes all of the pillows and blankets off of the couches and just has a total heyday when she's watching her TV show. So I wanted to get this space tidied up as it's the first thing you see when you come in, so I always like to have this area picked up. Plus, this is where I sit and read my book, enjoy a cup of coffee in peace, and my husband and I just really enjoy relaxing in this room. I wanted to quickly wipe the table and chairs before moving into our primary bedroom. We will come back to the kitchen, dining, and living room to do the floors after the rest of the house is tidied up and cleaned. Let me know in the comments, do you vacuum and mop all of your floors at once, or do you go room by room? Once I get the dining room wiped down from the morning, again, we are moving into our primary bedroom and tackling what is normally my starting point, or as I like to call it, my ripple effect chore, which is making my bed. Now, I have to shout out Quince. No, this is not sponsored, but this bedding is so good, you guys. It is cozy, fluffy, and I love the layered look it gives. I'll be sure to have everything linked down below if you are interested in getting some new bedding. I highly recommend Quince. Now, if you're wondering about the paint swatches on our wall, we are in the middle of 2 room makeovers, and I'm planning a primary bedroom refresh as well. I'm not really sure when that refresh will happen, but again, we do have the 2 other room makeovers currently happening behind the scenes, and I cannot wait to share that with you. I'm going very bold with the color choice, so make sure you are subscribed as I'll be sharing those room makeovers in the upcoming weeks and months. As my husband and I, we DIY everything, so it does take us a little bit longer to tackle the projects than we would like them to take, but my husband works shift work, and let's be honest, when I say we DIY it, he does most of it. I do the fun part, which is designing it, telling him what I want, and he will draw it out and build it for me. And I usually do the painting, or if he's not working, we will tackle that together. But again, just due to his work schedule, we only have so much time to tackle these projects. And these 2 room makeovers that we are working on are definitely bigger projects. We're moving through our bedroom, opening up the windows to allowing the fresh air inside, and look at all of the dust. It was mind-blowing how dusty our bedroom gets on a day-to-day basis, honestly, and even just the whole house when the windows are open. But fresh air is so much more important, so I guess I'll continue to let it happen. We've moved into the kitchen and are just getting to the day-by-day cleaning chores, like emptying and refilling the dishwasher, wiping the countertops with my non-toxic cleaner, and again, we will move on to the floors as well as a urge to purge decluttering session. So now's your time to get up and tackle your mess and clean along with me. Once I get all of these dishes done and put away here, we are using one of my favorite non-toxic multi-purpose sprays. This is the one from Sage. I use this all over my kitchen and dining room. I just love the smell of it, plus it's super affordable. I like to use it to wipe down my countertops, the sink, my exterior and interior of the appliances, as well as my kitchen table. Highly, highly recommend this stuff. I've been using it for years. In my last video, I moved the Shady Lady tree here in the dining room, and I'm seriously in love with her now and cannot even believe that I almost sent her back. She is perfect for brightening up that corner. I love that you can see her from so many different angles, whether you're in our entryway, living room, dining room, kitchen, she just makes such a statement. I think I've found her forever home. Time to tackle the floors, and then we will tackle the bathroom.
Inside of me, it's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land, not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it, so cold yet warm. When you hold me, when you close, I know. A little bit lighter.
I apologize for what I am about to show you, but holy cats, our sink was disgusting. I noticed it was draining very slowly, and with my husband working a lot, I figured I'd just like take it apart myself, and I seriously almost puked. It was so bad. It smelled so bad. Y'all, don't come at me. Don't judge me. I don't even know what was down here, but let me tell you, it was disgustingly satisfying. Now that that is all clean and draining properly, part of my weekly reset is I like to restock, and I feel like I don't share that very much on my channel anymore. I used to actually do a ton of ASMR restocking videos, and let me know if you'd like to see more restocks. I can definitely integrate them into my videos. But I'm topping off both of our soaps that are in our bathrooms and moving on to decluttering these two drawers here, as they always get so filthy and cluttered. But first, I needed to get the empty bottles out of the shower and toss them.
Everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
Whenever I'm decluttering, I like to start out by emptying the space, vacuuming and wiping it down and starting fresh. There's just nothing like a fresh, clean slate. Then, as I'm decluttering, I sort the items into categories: keep, trash, or donate. If you're just starting out with decluttering and you are learning how to let go of the items in your home, I highly suggest focusing on what you know, which is the trash. The bottles that are empty, the broken razors, the caps that don't have a match, that sort of thing. This will help to expand your decluttering muscles, and when you are sorting these items, like they're quick decisions. They don't take much thought. We're not decluttering sentimental items here. It's just the bathroom. And the bathroom is a really good place to start if you're new to decluttering. So go ahead and tackle a drawer with me.
You give me this energy. It is like you set me free. Chasing highs to stay alive. But if I'm with you, I'll survive. So hold me close into the night, 'cause I need you to stay. You take me to paradise, that's why it's hard to wait. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Life is hard the way it is, but with you it's easier. Follow me into the night, without you I'm falling deeper.
It feels so good to have these drawers cleaned, decluttered, and reorganized. It was not a big job by any means, but I do feel so much lighter. I actually ended up tossing a ton of empty bottles that were just taking up space. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cleaning and homemaking motivation, and we'll see you next time. Bye!